GoPro Fusion is the most versatile GoPro ever. It allows you to create incredible immersive content or reframe it into a traditional video using overcapture. But the first step to unlock its full potential is to copy, prepare, and stitch the clips you've captured. The first step when you start using your camera is to download GoPro Fusion Studio. You can grab it easily by going to gopro.com/fusion and follow the instructions. The app is totally free. After capturing with Fusion, open the side door and connect your camera to your computer. Open GoPro Fusion Studio and click Browse Camera Media to create previews of your shots. Remember to keep your camera connected from this moment until you have finished rendering your content. GoPro Fusion Studio is a powerful tool that gives you a lot of options to get the most out of your footage. You can select and review each of the shots contained on your camera, rename them to make it easier to sort through them, and apply a lot of different settings. First, you will decide whether you want to create a full 360 video using an equirectangular image, or if you want to create a traditional video using overcapture. To learn more about these options, check out the link in the description. Whenever you want to create multiple elements from the same footage, be it a 360 video and an overcapture video, or just two different overcapture angles, just duplicate that clip and then treat the two as completely separate elements. Then select in the horizon menu what will be in front of your spherical image or what part of the sphere you want to show in your overcapture edit by clicking and dragging in a preview window. You can adjust this more precisely using the different sliders. There, you can also choose what type of stabilization you want to apply. Select Full Stab to create an incredibly smooth 360 video, or Anti-Shake for a more immersive video. The next step is to adjust your color. In the second tab, you can choose to apply the GoPro color settings to your content. This will give it the bright and flashy style you've come to expect from GoPro videos. You can also select Flat to make it ready for advanced editing. Finally, trim your shot by moving the blue and white markers in the preview window. Once you're happy with your results, you can click Add to the render queue and start preparing your next shot. You can also select multiple elements to apply the same settings to all of them, or just add them to the render queue in just one click. That's it, you've prepared all the content you want to use and share with your friends. It's now time to render your videos. Rendering here includes copying the files from your camera, applying the settings, and creating the final video that you can share or edit. But GoPro Fusion Studio is there to make it easy. Choose whether you want to share your clips directly on social media platforms or if you want to work on them in an advanced editing software. Rendering at maximum resolution for advanced editing will create really big files, so make sure you have enough space on your hard drive or choose the YouTube option to create smaller renders. You can also choose between creating a 360 or a traditional audio track. Once you are happy with your settings, click Create the render queue and everything will be sorted out for you. If you want to, you can then edit specific settings for each of your shots in the render queue. Finally, click Render All and you will soon have all your content ready for you to enjoy, edit, and share with the world.